Why did it just stop? Come on. All right, here we go. Finally. Yes, this vehicle been sat here for a year. It was a winter project. I haven't touched this at least like 8 months. So today we're gonna be working the RX-7. A little bit of work. This is my winter project. You can see that I'm working on the side skirt here. Slowly progress. Get the front bumper out. It's all just strip except the front fender. I got the right side skirt in there. I'm just mocking up all this and then bolt it down, lining up all the body lines and everything that needs to be installed, and then we'll send it to the body shop for them to get this thing painted. On this video, we're just gonna bring it to my other garage. Let's continue mocking up the side skirt, line up the fender, the front bumper, and then changing all these bulbs here. Same thing on the middle. There's a bar in the middle here that needs to be changed. There's all the parts right there. Alright, so you can see I got the side skirt in here, just lining up the bolt holes and then riveting it. I'm gonna paint this whole vehicle down, so just lining it up, all the body lines right there is just lining it up. I got the spoiler out from the factory. I got an aftermarket one. It looks sick. The rear bumper is out. The tail light and the bar in the middle is out because I'll be changing all the bulbs on those. You can see on this side I'm working on the driver. The last time I worked on this was like 8 months ago. This is my winter project. Well, it was, and got sidetracked on working on some other vehicles that getting paid. And this one doesn't get me paid, so unless if I sell it. But you can see we got a lot of stuff to do. Here's the piece for the spoiler on the sides, and then there's a other piece on this. We're gonna show you what it looked like, show you how to install that. Left fender, I was thinking of well, I'm not sure yet, but it'll be nice is painting the interior of this engine bay as well. But that's a lot of work, but stripping some of this stuff out. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I got the front bumper out already. Quickly walk around back on the passenger side again. I got all the mirrors out right here. The door panel is out. Okay, so I'm gonna take all these pieces for the RX-7. I'm gonna be taking all the pieces to the other garage. And then when all that's done, I'm gonna drive this vehicle to the other garage to work on it. All right, so let's get started. All right, I got pretty much all the parts I need here. It's all loaded up to the terrain. Got the RX-7 idle running. I have to boost the battery. It's been sitting for a while. I got some parts and the back seats in there. Running nice, running idle nice. No leaks. I checked the fuel, I checked the oil, transmission. No leaks. Alright, let's go to the other garage. Alright, check it out. Alright guys, here we go. Look at this. I spent a lot of couple hours of time grinding, making this thing smooth. This is the worst one right here. There's a lot of cracks right here, so you can see that. Reinforce it with fiberglass. This one right here is not that bad. This one is, I believe this one is the left side. See the left side, there's not much banged up. And here's the rear bumper. I kind of ground some out right here. This is the bolt holes, so I tampered it with fiberglass because I'm gonna make my own new holes when I bolt it down to the vehicle or rivet it down. This is wet, this is brand new. You can see it rip that fiberglass out, made a new one. Same thing on the other side over there. So when all this thing done, we're gonna bring this to the other garage. I was thinking of doing to the other garage. I don't want to bring it here. I got this GMC Acadia that's not done yet. So I don't want to bring the RX-7 here. It's gonna bring these parts to the other garage and then line it up there, make brackets, attach it to the vehicle, make sure everything all lined up, the body line is nice and smooth, and make sure that transition from part to other part is smooth. All right, so stay tuned on that, guys. Thumbs up on this one, give me a like, and see you guys again on the next one.